Good morning, children. Welcome to lesson 2, Globe, a model of the Earth, part 3. In this video, we are going to learn about oceans and continents. The Earth is called as blue planet. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, which is in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. 97% of water resources is present in the form of oceans and seas. And ocean is an endless water resource which stretches for hundreds and thousands of kilometers. See, already you know Earth is called as blue planet. Why? Because 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. In that, 97% of water resources in the form of oceans and seas. See, that's why big water animals, that means whales, sharks, big fish, all they live in seas and oceans. And if you want to go to any other country by the big ships, we can go to other continents also through the oceans. See, what is an ocean? An ocean is an endless water resource which stretch for hundreds and thousands of kilometers. That is called as an ocean. See, the names of the great oceans. 5 great oceans are there. Those are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. These are the 5 great oceans on the earth. Among these 5 oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. See, in this globe, see, towards top this is north and this is south. Here this is north pole and here down here south pole. Near north pole one ocean is there, that is Arctic Ocean, and here Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. And here also Pacific Ocean is there. Why? Because the shape of the earth is sphere. That's why we have to join this edge and this edge. Why? Because that earth is in the shape of a sphere. That's why. That means that all Pacific Ocean only. These are the great 5 oceans. Now, continents. The large sheets of land on the globe are called continents. Continents are the huge masses of land rising above the sea level. There are 7 continents. That means these continents are separated by oceans. See, there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Among these 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Here, see, this is North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. See, near the South Pole, Antarctica continent is there. Here white color is there. White color means we have to, on the globe or maps, with white color we will see the white color, that we can identify that there that ice will be there. That means near the North Pole, this area all covered with ice and snow. That means big ice sheets, bergs will be there in this Antarctica continent. That's why there no tree will grow. Antarctica is called as treeless continent. And Asia, here this is the largest continent, and our country India is here. India lies in the Asian continent. Asia continent. This is the smallest continent, Australia. And here Arctic Ocean is there near North Pole. Arctic Ocean is there. Here also all that water all in the form of ice and snow. Here this all. And see these North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. These are all huge land masses separated by what? Oceans. See, Here, North America, South America, Africa, Europe separated by Atlantic Ocean. Like this, North America, South America, Asia, Australia is separated by Pacific Ocean. These all the huge land masses are called as continents. Those are separated by oceans. Oceans means these cover endless water. These all the oceans are interlinked. See here Pacific Ocean, here Atlantic Ocean. Here Southern Ocean will be there. These all the oceans are interlinked. And in that huge land masses, those are called as continents. In that continent, so many countries, cities, all will be there. Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, forests, all are there in the continents. Now see, the North Pole and the South Pole of the Earth are covered with ice. Why? Because see, here this is Sun, this is Earth, our planet. On this Earth only we are living. Here, you know, in the solar system, all the planets will move around the Sun. The Sun also always emits the energy. Sun's rays fall. So, on the Earth, so many imaginary lines are there. The horizontal imaginary lines are called as latitudes. So, among those latitudes, 0 degrees latitude is called as equator. That is the largest latitude that divides the Earth into two equal halves. That divides the globe into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So, here near the equator, this area, the sun's rays fall directly on this Earth's surface. That's why here the distance between the sun and the Earth is less, and the rays also are falling directly. That's why here the temperatures are high while compared with poles. Here North Pole and here South Pole. The sun's rays fall slantingly on these two poles, North Pole and South Pole. See, the distance from the sun and the North Pole is more. That's why there the temperatures will be very low near the North Pole and South Pole. That's why, because of that low temperatures, that all the water all will be there in the form of ice and snow here near North Pole and South Pole. Near North Pole, I said Arctic Ocean is there. That also called as frozen. See, the North Pole has a frozen ocean, Arctic Ocean. Near North Pole, Arctic Ocean is there. It is in the frozen state. That means just like ice and snow. And the South Pole has a huge accumulation of ice called Antarctic Shield of Ice, Antarctica continent. Here, near South Pole, one continent is there that is called as Antarctica, treeless continent. There, big ice sheets will be there because the sun's rays fall slantingly towards that areas. That's why. Okay, children, I think all of you understand. Now a small assignment for you. Name the oceans on the Earth. The 5 names of the oceans you have to write. And second question, how many continents are there? What are they? That also 7 continents are there. No, those are you have to write. Thank you, children.